Crystal at Carmel, si Miguel.
Anong ibig sabihin ng get?
You want to know?
Yes. Na ano?
It was me who initiated it.
Na?
Sitting ay may kasalanan.
Na?
Maya-maya pa, tinawag ni Miguel ang isa pang sangkot sa issue na si Inigo.
Ayoko talaga sabihin.
Bakit ba ayaw mo?
Kasi hindi, sobrang inappropriate talaga.
See? Exactly. Diba sa'yo nagaling mismo na it's inappropriate.
So I don't know. I don't know what to do about it kasi I wasn't the one there. Laughing about it kasi he was the one who said it.
Yeah, but it was about Carmel.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you felt that way.
But yun nga, ano yung sinasabi ni Carmel kanina? That you guys were laughing because Lee was making inappropriate jokes about life.
Yeah, that we shouldn't have tolerated.
Right? That you guys should have done.
Yeah, my bad also.
Especially as a man.
Yes.
Especially as our friend.
I'm sorry.
Diba?
Sorry. Sorry, Carmel.
Especially as our friend.
Sorry, Carmel.
Yung nangyari po sa Zelda, yung sinabi ko po kasi sa kanya, yung sa side ko, hindi ko po minimean in a sexual way. Ang sinabi ko po sa kanya, you moving different. She was moving like that. Parang iba talaga yung way niya kung paano siya maglakad.
Come on, it's okay. Go up. You have to face it. Come on. I also want to talk to her, okay? Let's all talk about it. I'm sorry also.
Tsaka because we were talking about it sa lahat ng girls. So sinabi namin na it's better if you guys just talk. Yun lang yung gusto namin dito is for guys to not objectify us.
Yeah.
And even if it's funny in your head, it's really not right.
Ilang saglit pa, naiwan si Inigo para magpaliwanag kay Carmel.
In the moment, I wasn't really thinking about my words. The impact versus I wasn't really thinking about impact ng joke ko.
Just be extra careful, be mindful. Like, iisipin mo talaga muna kung ano yung magiging actions mo or yung words na gagamitin mo.